Okay, we're going to now start do number 6 on chapter 3, review 4, reading code. So as we look at this program, it's important to note, it's important to note that we have the main method, the math fun method, and the copy method. Well, main starts not because it's the first one listed, but because main always starts the program. So the first thing we're asked to do is to print oranges. And then we have a method call. Well, how do we know it's a method call? Because math fun is the name of a method. And because you have parentheses. So math fun invokes, sets into operation, it activates this method. This method, upon activation, sets up a memory location called num. It's a parameter variable that will receive the value of the what was passed from its method call. Well, the method call passes the 4 to this num memory location, and 4 is assigned to num. And then in the math fun or method that now we're going to execute, it has a prod variable which calls the num, which is 4, so it's going to actually multiply these two together, 4 times 4. So prod is now 16. The next line down is a method. How do we know that? Because we have the name of a method, which is copy, right here, and because it's got parentheses. And so it invokes this method to get started. Now notice we're not done with math fun yet, but it called another method in the middle. So now public static void copy is now activated, and so with what it does, its purpose is a big job, and that is to print apples. Now when the method is done, you always return to the method call. Well, the method call for copy is the one that has its name. So it's going to go back here. There's nothing to do here, so it goes to the next line down, and the first thing to do is to print the value of prod. Well, prod we saw here is been assigned 16, so it's just going to print a 16. Then it's going to print, literally print cars. So this method now is done. The math fun method is done. So we got to go to the method call. The method call is right here. There's nothing to do there, so we go to the next line down, and it says to print trees. And there you go. So we're done with the main method, so we're done with the program.